Are you ready for our gig?
Yeah, totally. It's at that 14th Nature place, right?
No, we're playing at Third Nature Brewing on Childsdale Avenue in Rockford.
Oh yeah, I remember. I'm totally ready. I'm just super busy with work. It's the time of year, man. The boss man's all over me. I'm ready.
Dad, are you even ready for this gig?
Oh yeah. It's next Tuesday, right?
It's Saturday, February the 1st.
Oh yeah. February 1st. That's right. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of the big presentation I got to do next Tuesday. Boss is all over me, man. I gotta get back to work. Okay.
Honey, you really gotta get ready. We have a gig coming up.
What? I'm super busy, right? It's that time of year, the boss is all over me. I got that big presentation coming up on Tuesday. I just don't have time for music.
Okay, honey, but listen, we'll be playing a wide variety of classic hits the whole family can enjoy.
Just so busy all the time. Boss man on my back. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Oh yeah. I'm ready now. People, you are not going to want to miss this. February 1st, Saturday at Third Nature Brewing. Come see the covering. An all original family band playing all covers that you love. You're not going to want to miss it.
Soft and lonely, you're lost and lonely.